Welcome. As of 2017, SAT scores for high school seniors had a mean of 1055 and a standard deviation of 186. Those of you in my stats class will see a footnote at the bottom of the page where you can find this information. So Luca earned a 1300 on his SATs that year. What percentile contains Luca's score? Well, we need to begin by computing his Z-score. So Z is equal to our data value minus the mean over the standard deviation. So we have 1300 minus 1055 divided by 186. And that gives us a Z-score of 1.32. Now we turn to a Z-score table. Those of you who are my students should have this on Canvas. And so we got 1.32. So we're going to want to go here to the row 1.3 and then find the second decimal place in the column. That's here, 0.02. 1.3 plus 0.02 is 1.32. So that is 0.9066. That tells us that Luca is here, his score, and all the other test takers are in the shaded area. That makes his percentile the 91st percentile. All right, so let's find the SAT score for the 95th percentile. So what this tells us, we know that the Z-score is 0.95. That's the 95th percentile. And that's going to be equal to the data value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So multiplying both sides by 186 will give us 176.7 on the left equals x minus 1055. And then we add 1055 to both sides to get x is equal to 1231.7, and I'm going to round that to 1232. So the 95th percentile is a score of 1232. As an aside, I'm going to mention that the College Board tends to scale in increments of 10, but for our purposes, saying the 95th percentile is 1232 is just fine.